I'm going to show you how to find the standardized test statistic and p-value for a two-sample t-test, a hypothesis test between two population means for independent samples when the population standard deviations are unknown. And the conditions have been met to use the t-distribution for the test statistic. And in this example, we're assuming that the population variances are equal. I have the problem summarized or written out here with the sample information. And basically we have an upper tail test where we're testing that mu1 minus mu2 is greater than 0. To get the test statistic in Minitab Express, you want to click on your Statistics tab, go to Two Samples, and we want this first option here with the two bell-shaped distributions and the T underneath. And in this problem, I have the summary information, so I want to select Summarize Data. And let me briefly input the information. My second sample mean was 0.44. I'm sorry, my first sample mean was 0.44, my second sample mean was 0.49, and then their respective sample standard deviations. When you click on Options, you can change your alternative to match your alternative in the problem, and this is an upper tail test, so I want to change that hypothesized difference to be greater than 0. And because I'm told in the problem that the population variances are equal, I want to click on Assume Equal Variances. All right, looking at the output, scrolling down to the bottom, here is my standardized test statistic rounded to 2 decimal places, -0.14, and the corresponding degrees of freedom if you wanted to find the critical value for this hypothesis test. And here is the p-value rounded to 3 decimal places, that's 0.554.